Is your company using OKRs? How would you like to capture those very important OKRs inside of Jira? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use OKR board by Oboard, and I'm going to show you how to achieve this reality, how to take those OKRs that are very, very important and marry them with all the work that you're already tracking inside of Jira, put them together inside of one single tool. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and let's jump in. Aligning the work that your teams are working on, those stories, those tasks, those bugs, those epics, all of that day-to-day work, aligning that with your company's vision, your mission, and the strategy is a really good idea. It gives purpose to the work. It gives you a lot of benefits like transparency, purpose, alignment, and more importantly, buy-in from your employees. However, OKRs, they usually live in some other tool, and they're usually tucked away where most folks don't even get to see them. But using OKR board, we're going to be able to marry both together, and we're going to show you how to easily create an objective and a key result and link them together inside of Jira. So in order to get started, use the link down below to get started with your free trial, and let's jump into Jira. Once you have installed the OKR app using that link down below, you're going to come over to your apps, expand that, and we're going to look for OKR board. In here, you're going to want to do a couple of configurations, and luckily for you, there's a link down below in the description that is also going to walk you through all the steps that you need in order to get your OKR board configured correctly. This video is designed to kind of just show you how to create an objective and a key result and give you a couple of pointers. But if you want an in-depth tutorial, including a completely free 12-course module that Oboard offers, that is all linked down below in the description. So make sure you check out those resources. Now, I'm simply going to show you how to create an objective and some key results. So in here, once we're inside the Oboard app, we're going to click the plus button here, and you get to choose what kind of objective you want. Now, these are all configurable. Again, using those resources down below, you can do a company, department, team. I'm going to do company, super high level, and we're going to make roll out AI across the enterprise. Very great objective. Use Rovo across all teams, right? This is basically our objective. Now from here, we're going to be able to determine who has visibility to this objective. We can determine the groups. Maybe there's different groups across your organization, like marketing, product, HR, QA, engineering, right? Who should be able to access this objective? You pick your interval. Is this a Q1 thing, a Q2 thing? Pick your dates. You add some labels, some stakeholders, right? But once you fill this all out, you're almost ready to hit the create button, because what you probably want to do at this point is, now that you have the objective, you may want to start defining those key results. So under nested item, you simply click on the plus button here, go to metric, and we have our key result. Now this is going to be very similar to what we just did. You're going to give it a title, key result number 1. You add a description. You can set your milestones here. So you have our start, our target, our units. We can add additional OKRs. And in fact, we can add additional key results, or we can create Jira issues, which we're going to do in just a second, or we can link to existing work items, or we can create a new work item here, which we're going to do in just a moment. But once you have all of this set up, right, once you have the right permissions, the right groups, the right intervals, all that configured, then you can click the create button, and then this item is going to be basically created. So now if we click out of this objective in the key result, and we can go back to our dashboard, and you can see that my rollout AI across the enterprise and my key results are all inside of here. Now, all we want to do is link Jira so we can start aligning our epics to this work. So I'm going to open up that key result here. Then I'm going to go back to the nested item, and I'm simply going to link an existing work item. Now this will also work if you want to create a brand new work item, but in essence, you just need to know the key for whatever you're trying to connect to. So I'm going to simply look up turkey-1, and you can see here, I was doing this during a very festive time. I've linked it to an epic. All I got to do is click on link. And now all of the work that's associated with that back on this dashboard is going to show. And so if I had other stories and tasks and bugs and other epics that I wanted to track, all of that comes into this single view, so we have full traceability. Again, if you want additional resources for this, there's a couple of links down in the description below. You definitely want to take advantage of their completely free resources to get you up to speed and using those OKRs as quickly as humanly possible. And before we wrap up this video, I want to show you two very cool and important things. Number one is their AI integration. Oboard has official MCP integration that is going to allow you to be in your LLM tool of choice and be able to interact and basically interface with your OKRs from that perspective. So no more having a context switch. And they even have some prompts and skills and some instructions that you should definitely review. Link is down in the description. And the last and final thing is, if you have users that don't necessarily have a Jira license, but you still want them to be able to see the OKRs, well, there is a web app version. There's a couple of steps for doing the connections. Again, resources are down in the description below. But once you get the web app configured, you can essentially share all those objectives and key results and everything else that you work on in a web-friendly version that anybody can basically visualize, and it's going to be synchronized with your Jira. So as you can see here, I just hit refresh, and that new company objective and that key result that we just made moments ago are now inside of this web version. And again, I can share this with anybody, and I don't have to worry about a Jira license. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.